How much should you actually spend on seat covers for your Chevy Silverado? Some folks are happy buying the cheap ones, but end up regretting it. Others splurge on pricey options, only to find they don't meet their needs. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. The Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers caught my eye right away with their promise of ultimate comfort for just $38.98. They're designed to contour to your body, providing relief from pressure points during long drives. If you want exceptional comfort while keeping your seats protected, this is worth a serious look. These covers are made from memory foam with a leather and air-cool mesh combo, which means they're not just soft, but also breathable. This feature is essential for those hot summer days when your car seats can turn into an oven. Plus, they fit most vehicles, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that others are loving these too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cooling mesh helps keep you comfortable and focused on the road, rather than worrying about sweaty seats. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker, especially when you consider the comfort and protection.
Product number 2, Cat Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers. Next up, we have the Cat Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers at a wallet-friendly price of $34.99. What stood out to me was their breathable mesh backing combined with a form-fitting design. If you want a reliable, long-lasting defense against wear and tear, this is worth a serious look. The breathable mesh not only keeps you cool on hot days, but also provides a sleek look that refreshes your vehicle's interior. Plus, they're airbag compatible due to a unique stitching technique that ensures safety without compromising style. With over 1,000 sold recently, it seems like many are benefiting from their durability against spills and dirt. Here's why this matters for you. If you're constantly in and out of the truck, these covers will protect against that daily abuse while still looking good. Some users mentioned that the fit wasn't as snug as expected. However, I'll be real with you. For most people, it still adequately protects the seats while adding a bit of style, making it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a simple solution to keep your seats looking fresh. Skip this one if your truck sees heavy-duty use that requires tougher materials. For the price, it's an excellent deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a full set.
Product number 3, BDK Polypro Car Seat Covers. Third on the list, the BDK Polypro Car Seat Covers come in at just $31.40. These covers stand out due to their full set offering, which means you're getting front and rear protection all in one go. If you want a comprehensive solution that's easy to install, this is worth a serious look. These covers offer a universal fit for most vehicles, which is great if you have a family or multiple vehicles. They're crafted from breathable polyester that keeps your seats protected from spills and dirt. With a sleek two-tone design, they also give your interior a stylish upgrade. They've sold over 1,000 units recently, which speaks to their popularity. Here's why this matters for you. Having a full set means you're protecting your entire vehicle, not just the front seats. However, some buyers noted that they might not fit well on vehicles with certain seat designs. But honestly, given the price and the overall style, it's a small trade-off for the protection they offer. This is perfect for you if you want a full set without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something tailored specifically for your model. Value-wise, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something more tailored, let's talk about the next option.
Product number 4, Giant Panda Custom Fit Seat Covers. The Giant Panda seat covers are next on my list, priced at $49.99. Right off the bat, what impressed me was their custom fit for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models from 2007 to 2026. If you want something tailored specifically for your truck, this is worth a serious look. These covers are made from durable faux leather and feature thicker foam padding for extra comfort. They're easy to install in about 3 minutes, which is a big plus. Plus, they handle scratches and spills really well. Just wipe them down. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clear that these covers are making waves. Here's why this matters for you. Having a snug, custom fit means they won't shift around while you drive.
which can be a real hassle with generic covers. That said, some users did mention that the faux leather can feel a bit less breathable compared to fabric options. But here's the thing, the trade-off is easy cleaning and a more luxurious look, which many will appreciate. This is perfect for you if you want a custom fit that enhances your truck's interior. Skip this one if you prioritize breathability over aesthetics. For the price, it's a good balance. Now, if you're seeking top-of-the-line protection, let's check out the final product.
Product number 5. Airschwan Custom Fit Full Set at $169.99. These are designed as a full set specifically for the Silverado and Sierra models, and the attention to detail is impressive. If you're looking for premium protection and style, this is worth a serious look. These seat covers are made from high-quality faux leather, which is both waterproof and easy to clean, perfect for anyone with pets or kids. They feature a slip-resistant design, so they stay in place, and they've thought about airbag compatibility too. With over 300 sold recently, many are upgrading their trucks with these. Here's why this matters for you. The custom fit means you're getting maximum coverage and protection from wear, while the sleek design enhances your truck's look. However, some have mentioned that installation can take a bit longer compared to others, around 25 minutes. But honestly, the effort is often worth it for the protection and style you gain. This is perfect for you if you want a complete, stylish upgrade for your truck's interior. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Given the level of quality, it's a worthwhile investment. So, to recap, we've got comfort with the Skechers, durability with Cat, a full set with BDK, custom fit with Giant Panda, and premium protection with Airschwan. Each of these seat covers serves a unique need, so think about what matters most to you.
Whether you're looking for comfort, durability, a full set, custom fit, or premium style, these top 5 options for Chevy Silverado seat covers have something for everyone. Remember to consider your specific needs before making a choice, and you'll be sure to protect your seats and enhance your ride.